Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be what's in my bag. So I thought I would do a what's in my bag video because number one, I like watching them. So I thought I would create one myself. And it's also an interesting way to get to know people without them just going through a lot of different questions by seeing what's in their bag. So I'm going to start off telling you about the bag itself. This is one of my favorite pieces for a few reasons. Number one, it was actually handmade by someone that used to be my neighbor. What she does is she makes bags and also accessories out of repurposed materials. So every piece is one of one because it's all based on what she's able to source. So this bag is actually a combination of materials. The bottom part is rubber, and then the flap is actually leather. It's pleated leather. The strap is an industrial size zipper, and you can see that it actually has studs that hold it together, and all of this is made by hand. There are also studs across the back. And I like this bag because of its very unique shape. And it's not really large, but it actually holds a lot in it. So I thought this would be the perfect bag to do a what's in your bag video. All right. So we're just going to start with what's nearest to the top. My makeup bag. This is a bag that I got from Estee Lauder as part of a free gift. I don't think I've ever purchased a makeup bag. Whenever I would buy makeup and they would have a free gift, I would usually keep and reuse the bag, and that's what I've done here. As you can see, it's really cute. It has all these little lipsticks on it. I have a few things. I don't carry a lot of makeup. I typically carry a compact for powder, and I'll carry whatever lip color I am wearing for the day. This is one of my favorites. This is by the Lip Bar, and it is Boss Lady. As you can see, it's a deeper red, and this is one of my two favorites. The other red that I like is Bloodberry by Pound Cake. So, like I said, this is one of my two favorites, especially for fall. Then I have this Nivea hand cream that I carry with me all the time. I don't like my hands to be dry. I want to make sure I always have some type of hand cream. And this is more compact than like a bottle of lotion. I do keep that in my car, but I keep this in my makeup bag as well. So this is a cream. You can see I've already opened it. So this is only for my use. I don't let anybody else stick their fingers in that. So I carry this all the time. I am one of those people that hates to have snagged fingernails, so I carry a nail clipper with me and also a file so that if I happen to tear a nail or something, I can take care of it right away. Otherwise, it's going to continue to bug me. I have a small Lysol disinfectant spray because, we're out in public and we might need it. You never know. I keep lens wipes with me to clean my glasses. It makes a huge difference. These are by Walmart. Who is it? Pearl or Bausch & Lomb used to have this really good spray, but they don't sell it anymore. And these are actually more convenient because they're individual and you can just use them, as you need them throughout the day. I also keep a pair of tweezers handy just because you never know. No further explanation needed, I don't think. An eyebrow pencil. I carry this one with me. This is Maybelline. It's the Ultra Slim. And I carry this with me because it doesn't need a sharpener. And I think that's pretty much it. I do carry this little container which has Vaseline in it. I don't care for lip balms. I don't like that kind of sticky texture. So I do carry a little bit of Vaseline with me in my makeup bag. Next, I have my portable fan. I got this fan off of Amazon, and the way that I found it was my hairstylist has one, because sometimes clients will be overheated, especially when you have that cape on and everything. And so I decided to get my own. I carry this with me everywhere. It is a great little fan. I think it was under $20, and it has 6 speeds, and it also can be placed down on a table. It has this, I don't know if you want to carry it some kind of way, and it's super convenient. You can charge it like you would charge your iPhone. Like I said, I carry this with me all of the time. All right, this is my wallet. It's just a standard wallet. I carry, my ID. I carry any insurance cards and store cards. I also carry my library card. I'm very proud to say that I still go to the library and check out books. And then I have a card that my mom gave me, that I look at every now and then. It says, "I'm proud of you." And it has a nice poem in it. So I carry that with me. And other than that, it's just your standard. Oh, wait a minute. I do carry some Pepto tablets as well as some lactate tablets, because you just never know what could happen. No further explanation needed on that. So that's the wallet. I carry handy wipes with me as well. Sometimes you just want to be a little more thorough. If you aren't able to wash your hands in the sink, I like to carry these handy wipes also to wipe down surfaces and things like that. I usually carry hand sanitizer as well. I don't know where it is. All right. I have this case, which I use to carry my keys. And you'll notice that these, I tend to have red a lot. Apparently red is one of my favorite colors because my phone is actually red. But I do this because when I have a bag that's black or a bag that's deep, it's easier for me to pull these things out rather than try to rummage around in the bag. So this case, I think this is actually, I don't know, maybe it was a pencil case, but I use it for my keys. I also have a pen in here. No, I don't have any paper with me, but I figure if I need to, I can grab some somewhere. I also have this charging cord for my phone. Yes, I know they have portable chargers that you can carry with you so you don't have to look for an outlet. And I have had several, and they always die sooner rather than later. So if you know of a good portable charger for an iPhone, please share it in the comments. I would love to get one so that I don't have to rely on finding an outlet. What else do I have in here? I have my remote so that when I'm out, I can take photos or videos. It's just Bluetooth connection to my phone. And that's it for this case. And what I try to do, I try to put things back right away so that they don't get misplaced later. All right. Then I have a snack usually. This is one of my favorites. This is the Nature Valley. I like the dark chocolate, peanut, and almond. This is my favorite one. I've tried some of the others, but this is the one that I usually carry with me in my purse so that if I'm out and I don't necessarily want to stop, to eat, then I can just grab this and this will hold me until I can get home or later on in the day. So definitely have these. Then I have gum, Trident, and the funny thing is I don't chew gum. So why do I have gum? I have gum only for those times when I've had something to eat. Like today I went to Chipotle and there's onions in the salsa. So I will get gum. I will just chew it for a few minutes to just kind of kill whatever it is, the aroma from whatever I might have been eating, and then I get rid of it. But I don't just chew gum just throughout the day, because I guess it's a funny story. I remember seeing someone on the train chewing gum, and they looked terrible. And I said, "Oh, is that what I look like when I chew gum?" I'm not chewing gum anymore. And that was years ago. Last thing is this portable tripod. If I'm out somewhere and I haven't taken a photo of my outfit and I might happen across a place that would be a good spot to take a photo or a video, I can just pull this out and you can adjust it. You can adjust it like this. You can shoot. This is for your iPhone. You can do it vertically or horizontally. Now, I will say this is a very lightweight tripod, right? So it's good for just those quick, easy type of content creation opportunities, but it is very convenient. It does fit in this purse. And if you happen to be out and you want to use it, it's great for that. It's not very expensive. I got this off of Amazon. I will link it. Yeah, I'll link it. So if you're interested in a lightweight tripod that fits into a purse, then you might want to pick one of these up. And that is actually it. Usually I have a lot more junk in there. So I will put the Instagram and Facebook information in the description for Blackberry Jewels in case you want to reach out and show some support. And that's it. So hopefully you found this interesting. Would love it if you would like, save, share, comment on this video. Also, consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of the community. You can join me on Instagram for more outfits and updates. And with that, I will say thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Okay.